Kittens are born with some immunity provided by their mother's milk, specifically through the first milk known as colostrum, which is rich in antibodies. However, this passive immunity is temporary and begins to wane within a few weeks after birth, leaving your kitten vulnerable to a variety of potentially life-threatening diseases. Vaccinations are crucial to bridge this gap and help build your kitten's own immune system, protecting them as they grow into healthy adult cats. The first round of vaccinations typically starts when kittens are 6 to 8 weeks old. At this age, they receive their core vaccines, which include protection against feline panleukopenia, also known as feline distemper, feline calicivirus, and feline herpesvirus type 1, rhinotracheitis. These diseases are highly contagious and can spread rapidly among cats, making early immunization essential. These core vaccines are often administered as a single combination shot called the FVRCP vaccine. After the initial vaccination, kittens require booster shots every 3 to 4 weeks until they are about 16 weeks old. These boosters are critical because they reinforce the immune response, ensuring that your kitten develops strong and lasting immunity against these diseases. Missing a booster or delaying the schedule can leave your kitten susceptible to infection, so it's important to adhere to the recommended timeline provided by your veterinarian. In addition to the core vaccines, your veterinarian may recommend other vaccinations based on your kitten's lifestyle and risk factors. One common optional vaccine is for feline leukemia virus. Feline leukemia virus is a serious viral infection that suppresses the immune system and can lead to anemia or cancer. Kittens that go outdoors or are in contact with other cats are at a higher risk of exposure and should receive the feline leukemia virus vaccine. This is usually given starting at 8 weeks of age, with a booster administered 3 to 4 weeks later. Another vaccine to consider is the rabies vaccine. While rabies is not as common in cats as in some other animals, it is a fatal disease that can be transmitted to humans. Most jurisdictions require rabies vaccination by law, even for indoor-only cats. Kittens typically receive their first rabies vaccine at 12 to 16 weeks of age, depending on local regulations and the specific vaccine used. Your kitten's vaccination schedule doesn't end after the initial series of shots. As they grow into adults, they will require periodic booster vaccinations to maintain immunity. Most core vaccines are updated every 1 to 3 years, depending on the specific vaccine and your veterinarian's recommendations. The rabies vaccine also requires regular boosters, with the timing varying by vaccine type and local laws, in addition to following the vaccination schedule. It's important to prepare your kitten for their vet visits to make the experience as stress-free as possible. Using a comfortable and secure carrier, scheduling appointments during quieter times of the day, and rewarding your kitten with treats and affection afterward can help create a positive association with veterinary care. It's also essential to monitor your kitten for any side effects after vaccinations. Most reactions are mild and include slight lethargy, reduced appetite, or tenderness at the injection site. These typically resolve within a day or two. However, if your kitten experiences more severe symptoms such as swelling, vomiting, difficulty breathing, or extreme lethargy, contact your veterinarian immediately, as these could indicate an allergic reaction. Vaccinations not only protect your kitten but also contribute to the overall health of the cat population by reducing the spread of contagious diseases. This concept, known as herd immunity, is especially important in multi-cat households, shelters, and communities with feral cat populations. By vaccinating your kitten, you're playing a part in keeping all cats safer from preventable diseases. For pet owners who are concerned about the cost of vaccinations, many veterinary clinics and animal shelters offer low-cost or free vaccination programs. Pet insurance plans often cover the cost of routine vaccinations as part of their wellness packages, making it more affordable to stay on schedule. Investing in your kitten's vaccinations early on can save you from costly treatments for preventable diseases later. Vaccination schedules may vary slightly depending on the specific vaccines used and your kitten's individual health needs. It's essential to establish a good relationship with your veterinarian, who can provide personalized advice and keep accurate records of your kitten's vaccinations. These records are crucial for travel, boarding, and compliance with local regulations. By committing to a proper vaccination schedule, you're giving your kitten the best chance at a healthy and happy life. Vaccinations are a simple yet powerful way to protect against serious illnesses, and they set the foundation for a lifetime of wellness. Whether your kitten is a playful indoor companion or an adventurous explorer, staying up to date on their vaccines ensures they remain safe, healthy, and ready to enjoy life to the fullest.